Hi guys, today we're gonna do a little review on how to sound out the words so that we can start reading. Yes? So remember, to read a word, we have to sound out the letters like blending them, like mixing the sounds. So let's try. At, mat. What is a mat? Something that is on the floor, right? Next word. P, a, pot. Remember that the sound of O is A. Okay, it's not O. Pot. Next word. M, A, G. M, A, G. Mug. Next one. Look, sound of O, A. Hot. Hot. Today it is a very hot day. Now let's read the sentences. I go to the mat. We see the fat rat go. So they see a fat rat running. Alright guys, so remember to mix the sounds to sound out the words to read. Goodbye.